Ladies and gentlemen, we are back on day 22 of our Earl Nightingale's powerful process, 2 steps to create a miracle in your life. Here on day 22, I know that you are starting to see results. I know that you're starting to see your goal come into form the way that you wrote it down on that card. With that being the case, you are at a point where it is now time to kind of pay it forward. It's time for you to start to inspire others because the work that you're doing and the results that you're getting is already going to begin garnering notice from other people. Go ahead and start inspiring them to write their own goal down on their own card, to work harder than they've ever worked before for that goal. It's time for you to start showing others that they can too accomplish the things that you've accomplished. And this way, we all get into that flow of giving and receiving. Whatever you put out there will come back to you. It's time for you to start inspiring others. Let's get to it, guys. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you.